everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonakshi and today I am going to make some healthy Besan Ke Laddus. The festive season is around the corner and if you are a health conscious person like me, then you must be looking for some healthy sweet recipes. In this Besan Laddu recipe, I am going to use jaggery in place of sugar. So it's gonna be a healthier alternative. So let's get started. I have heated a pan and I will add 1 cup of ghee into this pan. The ghee has heated up, so I'll add 2 cups of besan into the ghee. It has been 10 minutes and as you can see, the besan has started to change its color. So now I'll add some crushed cardamom into it. I'll add a little bit of water into it because as you can see, the besan is sticking to the bottom of the pan. If you want, you can add some ghee in between, but since I have already taken 1 cup of ghee in the beginning, so I don't need to add any more ghee. So I just add water in between. The next step is to add some dry fruits. I'm going to add some almonds. You can add any dry fruit of your choice. The next step is to add jaggery. I have added 3 tablespoons of jaggery into this. If you want, you can add some more if you want it very sweet, or you can add less if you don't want it too sweet. Mix it properly. As you can see, it's already light brown in color. I'll allow it to cool down a bit and then I'll start making the laddus. I have greased both of my palms with ghee and now I'll start making small balls, laddu shaped balls from the mixture. My delicious and healthy besan laddus are now ready. So let me taste it and let you know how they are. Yummy.